How to set up an alarm on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the clock application on your phone. Once you're here, make sure you are on the Alarms tab. To create a new alarm, tap on the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen. On the Add Alarm page, scroll through the wheels for the hour, minute, and AM or PM to set your desired time. Below the time, you can customize the alarm. Tap on Repeat to select the days you want it to go off. You will see the day has been updated. Then again, tap on Label to give it a name, and Sound to choose a ringtone. You can also toggle the snooze function to add your desired intervals. Once you are satisfied with your settings, tap Save in the top right corner to set the alarm. On the Alarm tab, you can see the new alarm that has been set. Following these steps, you can easily set up an alarm on an iPhone.